Welcome to LumenSoft video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to perform complete and physical audit in the system through the main physical audit screen. For complete physical audit, the first thing to do is to physically count all the products present in the shop and write them down. Now, select Physical Audit from the Activities menu. The physical audit screen displays. You will select the date from the physical audit field on which you have physically counted all the products in the shop. Now you will select all the items from this button. The next step is to click the Load All button. The system prompts with the message, "Are you sure you want to populate all products in the grid?" On clicking Yes, the grid loads all the products available in the shop. After this, click Save from the toolbar to save all the products with zero physical quantity. The next step is to manually enter the quantity against each item that you have counted in the shop yourself. During this process, it is recommended to update the entered quantities on the screen through the Update button from time to time. This helps you from any data loss that may occur accidentally on closing the screen. Once you are done with entering all the physical quantities, click Update to update the physical quantities. To convert the physical quantity into system quantity, click the Implement Audit button. On clicking Yes from the dialog, the audit is implemented. The entered quantity is now in accordance to the physical quantity you have entered at the time of auditing. Implementing the physical audit on a particular date restricts you in making any transactions of sale and return, or any purchase made on that date. Therefore, it is recommended to always perform a physical audit on an off day or after working hours for the shop. Now we will demonstrate to you the partial audit or audit for a few products. The method for performing partial physical audit is very much similar to the method of performing complete physical audit. The difference is that in complete physical audit, you load all the products in the grid, whereas for partial physical audit, only specific products are loaded in the grid. For this, click on the Product Code button and press F1 on the keyboard. This launches the Product Code Help dialog, displaying all the products. Double-click on the respective product, or you can also select the product and press Enter from the keyboard to load it in the grid. Similarly, you can load other products. Once you are done with loading all the products, then you will change the physical quantity for each product to 0. Now click Save. The next step is to manually enter the quantity against each item that you have counted in the shop yourself. Once you are done with entering all the physical quantities, click Update to update the physical quantities. This saves the partial audit. To implement the partial audit, click Implement Audit. On clicking Yes, the partial audit is implemented. There is a restriction on changing, updating, or deleting an already implemented audit in the system. However, you can reverse an implemented audit. For this, view the next video. You have learned how to perform complete and partial physical audit. For other tutorials, please refer to other videos.